Hey guys, we're in Chimin, Paramaribo, Suriname. So we're gonna try some yummy food. This is the place we found. We tried to go to the other place, but we found this great spot. So we ordered some kip incha, which is kind of a spicy chicken dish. We have local vegetables, kind of like the bok choy. We count it's a wonton soup that they ordered us, and then some other goodies are about to come as well. So I'm gonna start trying these. I'll start with the vegetable. This looks yummy. Look at that, oh, nice and big and chunky. So let's try this. Just gonna try bite of this. Mm, very good, crunchy, sweet, flavorful. It's and honestly, it's been a while. We had some great vegetables, so this is really good. It's just simple. I mean, it's not like so different than we have in the US, but it tastes really good, fresh. And usually in the US, our bulk tastes a little smaller, but it's good. Mm. No, you try the chicken. Take a little piece here. Mm. Mm. Yeah, that's good. That has the that has the mala spice. Really good, really spicy. It's like yummy. That's the winner. Mm. They also give you these week you cucumbers with these peppers. So if it's not hot enough for you, you should try these. Huh? Oh my god, that's so good. That's yummy, but it's spicy. Mm. So you gotta eat it with some rice. I'm gonna have a spoon of rice. Mm. Try it with that. I will take one more. It's great. Wow, that has a lot of heat to it. Mm. Mm. Yummy. Mm. Yummy. Let's try the Yonton soup. This is not something I would order, but Sue wanted to try this, so let's try it. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's great. It's nothing too special. Very simple Yonton soup. Let me try. I think this one has shrimp. Let's try one. Mm. Oh, that was a shrimp. It's good. Very good. Yummy. Oh, so far, everything's good. This chicken is probably my favorite. It's just it has a lot of spice, but yeah, they're all good. And yeah, can't wait to see the other dishes. I think the squid is coming next, so stay tuned. Let's try the squid next.